When x equals to 2, 7, 11, dash dash dash, then y equals to 8, 28, 44, dash dash dash. Here they are in serial number. When x equals to 2, y equals to 8, x equals to 7, y equals to 28, x equals to 11, y equals to 44. Then x and y are in which proportion? Direct or inverse? Here x equals to 2, y equals to 8, 7, 28, 11, 44. What is this relationship? Here, as x increases from 2 to 7, y also increases. 7 to 11, y also increases. It means both run in the same direction. That's why they will be in a direct proportion. That is the logical answer I am giving. But mathematically, if you want, see this: 8 equals to 4 into 2. 28 equals to 4 into 2. Therefore, y equals to 4 into x. Both are in the numerator side. That's why they are in direct proportion. In direct proportion, x and y on the both sides of the equation are in the numerator or denominator, but same side. In inverse proportion, one is in the numerator, other is in the denominator. Okay. In our case here it is direct proportion. Both are in the numerator.